Good morning, viewers. This is Dr. Venkateswaran, Head Department of BCA, and today we are on our first faculty development program of the academic year 2023 to 24. Before getting into the session, I'm going to give a note that last academic year 2022 to 23, we have conducted 17 live programs for students and faculties. So we have reached a mile last year, and this year we are also hoping to do at least 30 programs as live programs through our channel. And today the title is the futuristic one, artificial intelligence tools in various domains. What are the future opportunities of artificial intelligence tools? And this session is arranged by Hitaki, uh, sorry, Hitaki Tech Solutions Private Limited. I must pay my thanks to Kamnath sir, who has given us an opportunity to have a live session. And I also welcome today's speaker, Miss Salom Jerlin, who is a trainer in Hitaki Tech Solutions Private Limited. Before getting into the session, I have to pay my thanks to our management, our beloved principal Dr. V. Radhakrishnan, and our colleagues who supported long for a period of 5 years when I started this channel. I have to thank everyone who has been as a part of my channel. Thank you, everyone. And this is the time for the session. Now, I welcome Madam Salom Jerlin, Hitaki Private Limited. Welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Now, this is the time to start your session, and I will be back at the end of the session. Okay.
Sure.
Thanks. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Continue.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the nice introduction. And I'm so happy to be here. Very good morning to all the viewers who joined in this webinar on artificial intelligence tools. So, sincerely, I'm thanking the management of KSR for giving us a good opportunity to share our thoughts and knowledge with the students and other educational community. And it's really indeed a happy and it's a pleasure to be here to join this session to give some ideas about the artificial intelligence, and I'm giving my thanks to Dr. Venkateshwaran sir, who is really a good person and who is initiating so much of skills development programs and so much of uh, programs to enhance the skills of the students as well as the faculties. Thank you all. So without delay, I would like to enter into the session on artificial intelligence tools. Okay, so let me share my screen and I will show you some of the ideas and some of the presentations about artificial intelligence.
Yes, madam. You can add there was a
Yeah,
yeah. You can
here,
start.
sir. Can you see the screen, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So today the topic we have taken the topic artificial intelligence tools, and it's really an important topic to discuss, and it's really what can I say? Everybody must know this topic. Everybody must know. Everybody must have some idea about artificial intelligence tools, as it's going to dominate or as it's going to rule the entire technological world in the upcoming few years. So I have mentioned like new era and new technology. There are so much of eras that we have passed on in technologies. Some eras with the machineries, and some eras with the robots, and some eras with the codes, and some eras with the advanced computer programmings. And the upcoming era is with the artificial intelligence, and there is no doubt in it. So all the domains and all the industries and all the sectors are going to come under the shadow of artificial intelligence tools in the upcoming very few years. So that's why we take this topic to be discussed in the upcoming 1 hour to enhance the skill and to enhance the some knowledge about the upcoming technology. So artificial intelligence tools. So we may wonder that artificial intelligence is the one that is very new, and the word that is artificial intelligence, that word is a newly framed word, and everywhere we can see these, and everywhere we can hear this AI everywhere. But we should know one thing: this this word artificial intelligence was introduced in the year before 2000. So it's really an amazing fact that we should know about artificial intelligence. So humans started to think about the artificial intelligence before the 2K year. So there it comes into the that is there it comes into the use, the artificial intelligence words. So how does these words come? A simple spark in the mind. So we all know a fact, that is when the computer was invented and when the machines was invented, we all were indulged with the fact that machines cannot think and the machines cannot take decisions. The machines can follow instructions only what we give. Based on the instructions, the machines work. Based on the instructions, the computer work. This was the thought that was occupied all the minds of the human before. So a simple spark in mind changed that thought. So a question was raised in 2000. So can a computer think, or can a computer can make decisions, or can a machine can do its work without any human interventions? So can a machine can make smart decisions? Can a machine can save? Can a machine can work without any data input? I mean the instant data input. A simple question sparked in someone's mind as bring those these kinds of massive results that artificial intelligence tools. So even now, we take up this question: can a computer think? Can a machine take decisions? 80% of us will give an answer like no, a computer cannot think, a computer cannot make decisions. This is the answer we will give. But if you ask this question in the next year, everybody will say absolutely it can do all the things better than human. So that's what the technological revolution in the future world. So let's ask this question: can a computer think? Can a machine take decisions? Yeah. So the answer to this question will give us a good definition for the word artificial intelligence. In the word artificial intelligence, it's there, it is an intelligence that is created, or it's an intelligence that is artificially made. So we are trying to create an intelligence to the machine. So with that intelligence, a machine can think and a machine can take decisions. So how it's happening? So everything comes from the nature. There is no doubt in it. Everything comes from the nature. So we all know about natural intelligence. So when we all know about how the human beings are getting into their intelligence. Of course, they can get their intelligence only with the help of training. So when they are too young, when they are trying to walk, or when the human are trying to see, when the human are trying to think, it was very new to them at that initial stage. They start to think with the data what they collected from outside. They start to make decisions with the data what they processed inside the brain. So this was the natural fact. So we are trying to create this natural into an artificial medium. So that's what called artificial intelligence. So I can give a good example, or I have so much of explanations for the artificial intelligence. Then I found some explanations or some definitions that are suitable to give the definition of artificial intelligence. So we can say artificial intelligence is, it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. So we are intent to create an intelligent machines. So we are creating some intelligence in the machines, or else we are creating some programs that creates that intelligence. And it can be also defined as, it is the task of using computers to understand human intelligence. It's really a great definition. So it's a task of using computers to understand human intelligence. Of course, a human can understand a computer. A human can understand what is the error in the computer. A human can understand what is the error in the machine, even in the hardware parts. a human can understand why the machine is not working, and also a human can understand how to make the machine work efficiently. It's all the thing that we know already. But here the concept is reversed. The task of using computers to understand human intelligence. So we are creating machines to understand our intelligence. So we are creating machines to understand our errors. So we are creating machines to um, to to clear our doubts. So we are creating machines to understand our emotions. So we are creating machines to understand our weakness and how to help us in our weakness. So we are creating machines to understand how we can improve our efficiency. So, so this is really a great thing, that making the machines to understand the human intelligence. So how we can create that missions, and how we can create those understandings, and what are all the technologies that supports in creating those algorithms and understandings. So that's a huge ocean that we are yet to know, to understand the upcoming technologies and the future eras, and it is a mandatory thing to understand that too. So at this time, I want to introduce some of the artificial intelligence tools that are available, that makes our work very easy and makes our work very effectively, and even that understands our needs and demands. That's what I want to make it as an important point. So these artificial intelligence tools are the one which understands our demands, and it understands our need, and it understands the industry, and it understands the world entire technology, and give us a best solution more than our expectation. So I would like to share some of the some informations about the artificial intelligence tools that are available as a free source, because we are, that is, we people in the educational community have so much of task to in the creations and in the presentations and in makings and in submissions, document writings. So we are indulged, that is, we are occupied with much of the task like this. So they're arising a huge demand, and they're arising huge demand for the knowledge and the technical skills that we need to make the work efficient, and to complete the work in a better way. So for that also, there are much of artificial intelligence tools available that really understands us, and that really helps us to make the work completely effective, and makes the work completely neat and perfect. So, what are those artificial intelligence tools that I want to discuss today? And where are these artificial intelligence spreaded up? Everywhere. In one word, I can say everywhere. Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now, and it's going to be anywhere in the future. So, some simple applications for artificial intelligence are speech recognition, and in the customer service supports, and computer visions, recommended engines, and stock tradings. So, we have come under some of these applications even in our mobile phone also. Speech recognition. So, speech recognition means it can identify who is speaking, and with the voice, it can identify the age of the person, and you can when there is a voice, you can predict whose voice is that, whether the voice is a male or a female, or if you want to change the voice of someone to another voice, you can even do that. So those kind of applications you can do with the speech recognition tools. And customer service, we all know about it. So there are much of the chatbots available that when you even try to enter a question, it's giving you an answer. So even if you a single mission, I mean a single chatbot can reply you in multiple languages. So it can understand our need, and it understands our language, and even it can understand some of the errors what we make, and it gives us a good recommendation. So these kind of computer service applications, we use artificial intelligence. And computer vision is, now there is a Google satellite. When you click on, that is, when you click on any location, even you can view the location in your real time camera. And there 2 days before, I came across a website, came across an application called Flight Radar. So it was really a nice application. So in flight radar, if you click any airport, and there you can see the available flights that are on their runway. If you click on the flight, you can see the real image of the flight, and you can locate the location of the flight, whether it is on the runway, so where it is, how much altitude it is. So much of information you can get it on a single app in your hand. So that's also a good, very good, interesting application I came across 2 days before. So that comes under computer vision. And recommendation engines. So recommendation engines, this is what we are coming, that is we are using in our day-to-day life. So Google, and Microsoft, I mean Microsoft Edge, and the Firefox. So there are recommendation engines. If you use, if you give any topic, it's give you wonderful results, and it's picking you the efficient results and the best results, that is that all the engines can give. So those kind of recommendation engines. And stock trading, yeah, stock trading is an important application of AI nowadays. It gives a very absolute and resoluted predictions, more than the human calculations. So everywhere you go, you can see the artificial intelligence tools that occupied all the domains and industries. And as I said, everywhere is now, and in the future, it's going to be anywhere. Anywhere. All the things are possible. It's going to be with the artificial intelligence. And you may wonder that we are using some artificial intelligence tools, and I should mention that those are not new. Those are the one which we are using for more than 2 to 3 years. So what are the some artificial intelligence tools that we use in our day-to-day life? So make a note of it. So these are all the AI tools that we use in our day-to-day life. Even the children, the homemakers, the industry people, the business people, the students, the teachers, trainers, industries, corporates, everybody. So all the human being will use this AI tool in their life. So with this slide, you can understand how the artificial intelligence tools has occupied a person in their day-to-day life. So the face app, the image recognition app for all the community people, and the social media. Yes, of course, the social media is occupied, that is ruled by the artificial intelligence tools only. It's give you that's it decides the news feed in your social media page, and based on your searches, it's giving you the recommendations, and based on your searches, it's updating the post in your page, and based on your priority, it's giving you the contact informations. And those are the social media tools. And the Google Talk, so you can search everything using your voice, so the Google can understand your voice, and it's giving a search results based on your voice. And the Alexa, so hope everybody knows about Alexa, voice recognition search engine for music. So if you give any kind of music search, it can give you a best results. And the Google search engine, Grammarly is a very best tool that I'm using in my what the office purposes. So Grammarly is a useful tool, that is a machine can give a machine with a good linguistic skills. So as I said before, it can understand our errors. If you make any error in your own language, so it can give you the error correction, and it can give you the correct phrase for your sentences. So Grammarly. And Netflix. So Netflix, that OTT platforms where you can see much of the movies, and based on your interest and based on your recommendations, it's giving you nice entertainment shows also. So you can see the AI tools are already occupied us. It is already in our life. So we are using much of the AI tools in our life. And there are some AI tools more than this, and there are some AI tools apart from this that helps us to work, that helps us to complete our, that is to make us perfect in our profession, and that helps us to create something, that helps us to generate something. So we are going to discuss some of the tools that are available. So I'm going to divide the tools, and I'm going to give the name for the tools as generative AI tools. So we are going to see about generative AI tools. So what are the generative AI tools means? Rather than using it, you can generate. you can generate something or you can create something using this AI tools. So I can say the world is digital. So everywhere you go, the digital technology occupied, creating videos, so creating posters and creating advertisements and creating musics and creating the blogs, articles, and creating emails and creating documentations and creating reports, even the medical reports. So these are all we can say as the generative task. So these generations are normally done by the humans. So based on the human skills and based on the human creativity, so we can generate a very good or effective videos or presentations or everywhere. So there, to help the humans in those fields, to help the humans in those domains and particular tasks, so we have some AI tools that helps us a lot. So I have categorized those AI tools into visual tools, audio tools, and text generators and code generators. So what are the visual tools? It can be the image generators or video generators or the design generators, and audio can be voice generators and music generators, and also the text generators and the code generators. So just you put up your idea in that tool, what do you exactly need, just give your need, it will give you the output or it will give you the document or presentation more than our expectation with a perfect resolution and in a perfect ratio. So let's discuss some of the tools. So first of all, I would like to discuss the tools which are available to generate images. So there are many tools that generates images. Usually, what we do, if we want to search any message or if you want to search any image, as of now, what we know is go to the Google and type the word, and it will give you some of the images which are related to that phrase. So you can take any of the picture, or sometimes it may be related, or sometimes it may be not related, sometimes it may be related to some close ratio to 100%. So we can use that image. So if you want to edit or if you want to do some editions, you can go for any other image editors. So there you can apply the image and you can go for the like make correcting the image to your most accurate demand. Yeah. So to overcome that, to help us to get the particular image and to help us to generate an image, to draw an image as per our request or as per our think what is in our mind, it can tell you, I mean it can give you these kind of AI tools. For example, just if you close your eyes and think something and type what do you think in this application, it will give you an exact image what you have, that is what you are thinking in your mind. So let's use this tool. First of all, I would like to show this tool about Crayon. Crayon is an interesting tool. So there you can generate images. So Crayon, using Crayon is easy one. So just go to the Google and search for Crayon. It will give you an Crayon AI image generator. So here, if you like, you can go for the sign up or you can go for login. So I would like to do login so that it helps me to take up the projects what I have done before. So I'm going to generate. What I'm going to generate, I'm going to think something in my mind and I'm going to type it. So some of I would like to give a funny task like this. So I'm going to give this phrase, a macro 35 photograph of two mice in Hawaii. So can anybody imagine two mice in Hawaii and it's going to wear a tiny swimsuits and it's carrying tiny surfboards. So I'm going to get a two mice picture with tiny swimsuits and it should carry a tiny surfboards, and the photograph that is the size of the photograph should be 35 and it's a macro version. So I'm going to type it. So a macro 35 mm photo of two mice. Let's give me the exact phrase. Two mice in Hawaii. Photo of two mice in Hawaii. So that's the one step. And after that, they are each wearing tiny swimsuits. They are each wearing tiny swimsuits with two tiny surfboards. And I need it in digital art. That's it. So I imagined something and I typed, that is, I converted my imagination into text. So I have given to the crayon that what I need actually. So now the crayon will understand what is in my mind. So the crayon can understand what I exactly need. So, what I have imagined in my mind, we cannot imagine all the things what we think on our mind. Like, I can give two mice in Hawaii. So, I cannot give what is in Hawaii and what can be in the Hawaii because even I have no idea about it, what is in Hawaii and how the background of the Hawaii would be and what is the real costume that they are, that is, what is the swimsuit that they are using in Hawaii and how the swimsuit suits the mice. So there are so much of things that are beyond my imagination, but it can give us a mice and with a board, surfboard. Even we can make it more precise. Like I'm going to create a photo. Let me take the photos of it so it can give us a big background and everything. So you can give a particular selections also on art, drawing and photo. So if you get the photo, now the crayon will give you with background images also. It can give you, that is what you exactly think. So there is one thing that we want to show our patients here, that is it always takes time to portray what we have given. It takes some time to reach and to pick some of the libraries based on our search. So for that, it takes some time to reach the servers, but the crayon can give a good result. And I would say something about this crayon because crayon is a very basic thing that is designed to match the phrases. So you can see two misers with a skating board and Hawaii. Okay, so we got some of the results here, and I'm going to give you one more artificial intelligence tools that give you an exact result. So let's see what is the difference between these two tools. And I'm going to show you one more tool, that is Star AI. And one more tool also. So these are all the tools that can understand your imagination demands and it can generate the images exactly like what you have asked for. DALL-E. These are also some of the tools that generates image based on your text. Okay. So here I'm going to give the same in both. So two mice in Hawaii carrying two surfboards with tiny swimsuit. Let's generate. Okay, so I'm out of credit. The same I'm going to do in another AI. This AI is star AI. Let's give the same task here. Okay, all right. So these are all some of the image generators that are available. So let's see how to create projects in this image generation. So in Crayon, we should give some text, and if you click anything, it will give you the particular specification, what you have given. So there you can go, like, and this is an another image generator. Here you can give very exact results, like even if you want a red color flower on the on mice head, it can generate an image for it. If you say a mice, that is two mice are swimming in the Niagara Falls, it can give you an image like this. So that much particular image it can give you, that is it can generate what you have in your mind. And there is an another image generation option, that is star AI. So this is a different kind of AI tool that really helps you to do a lot. Let me change the login, and I'll show you how to generate some images here. Okay, so here you go. So this is the first page of the star AI. I'm going to start a new project. Click and start a new project. I'm going to create some photos. Click photos. So if you are using an open source, initially you will get 5 credits. That is 5 changes you can make in your image. I mean, you can give 5 specifications. So apart from 5, you cannot give anything. So just I'm going to create an image using this 5 credits. So first of all, I'm going to have an image. What is the images? I'm going to have maybe a nature, like forest, or you can give like waterfalls. I'm going to create a waterfalls. If you click generate, it will give you a waterfalls. So inside the waterfalls, you can add any image like this. So let me create the waterfalls first. So it will give me a best picture of the waterfalls. Here is the waterfalls. And I'm going to start an image here. Some image like I'm going to add an image, this one, image. I'm going to give the depth of the image. I'm going to take this depth and I'm going to attach there. So I have added an image. Okay. And I'm going to generate an image, that is a waterfalls with the mice. If you click generate, you can see a different image. An image will be created based on the modes that you have added. See the image. So this tool you can use to create different images, like to create some illustrations, or even if you want some pictures for your 3D techniques, there you can use it. See this one in a waterfalls now. So it has taken a resolution of the waterfalls and it added this one, and even I can do the same. If I take the color in this picture, the color of the picture will be imported here, like this. I'm going to bring the color. Let's see how the color is applied. like this one. So how it's all happening, let me see, let me give you the structure. You can see a structure applied to the waterfalls, the structure of the image. So these are some of the tools that help you to imagine, or that help you to apply your imaginations, that brings into a illustration or a picture. So even you can try other than the waterfalls also, like if you give forest, we can use forest, a forest picture, and you can add some more pictures inside the forest. So these kind of image generations that you can do with the AI tools. So usually when we use Google tool, I'm going to do it for Google Images. So there I'm going to give the same 35 photograph of two mice in Hawaii with tours of boats, digital art. This is this like. So these are all the images that are generated already and that are created by someone in their applications. So here, this is an application where you can create your own image. So where you can create your own imagination, and where you can create your own script. So if you are writing a story, or if you are writing a document, or if you are creating a presentation, so these kind of tools will help you to create your imagination into the images. So these kind of image generation tools that help you to do some of the tasks in image generation. And apart from the image generation, we have some more tools also. So these are all the video generators. So for video generators, there are many of the tool, and I would like to show you one of an interesting tool that I have used in one of my project. So that is, let me show you that tool. I have taken that tool already. Okay, let me open the tool. Okay, here it is. Steve AI. Steve AI is an interesting artificial intelligence tools that help you to create some videos. Here there is an interesting thing. If you click text to video, I'm going to write my script and it's going to give me a video. Like, I'm going to type my script. So I'm going to create a story about a farmer. So I can do anything, like any story. Just I'm going to give an example, like once a man lived in a village with his small family. That's my scene one. And my scene two is he was a happy farmer. That's the another scene. He had his own cattle and fields. Another. And he was doing vegetations. Another scene. So like you can give your script, any kind of imagination what you have. I can see. We can give like he was enjoying rain in his field. One, and I can give on another funny script like that farmer went to USA. He met president. So instead of USA, I can give America. I'm giving a script. I have done my script. So my script has 7 scenes. So I'm going to add a music like cattle or anything. Okay. It was about the farmer, so it takes a video about the farmer. I'm going to create the video about it. So I want to choose any design for it. So let me choose this one. Scene is loading. So this tool will give you the video based on the script what you have written. So it's gonna be an amazing results that I use. Let's check this. Video generated for me. Yes. So even if you give a long script, it can give you a long video. So Steve Wall is an interesting and intelligent AI tool that helps us to generate videos, and even you can change the layout like this, any kind of layout you can do, and even you can change the color of your video. So much of changes you can do. What do you like? And the transition time for the slides and scene time, you can hide the text or you can hide some text in some of the things. More changes you can do. So you can change the theme, you can change the script, anything you can do. So this is one of an interesting AI tool that generates videos for you based on your um, based on your imagination or based on your request. And there is another tool called Synthesia. Synthesia is another interesting tool that helps you to create videos. So let me show you how to go to Synthesia. Synthesia is here. It's an intelligent AI platform that creates video. So I'm going to give the same. Let me do login. Here comes the Synthesia. Hmm. Okay. Let me go in another way. So here it comes. And here I can give a video script like about my company, the tech solution private limited. is well known for its training and research on industrial demands. Okay, I'm going to give it business mail. Finally, just click generate free video. Then you will get this video in your mail. After some times you can get this video in your mail. What's the video would be means what's the script you have given that you can see it. I'm going to show you what is that mail. Okay. It says that video is on the way. In few minutes it can give you the video. This is Synthesia. So you can give any script here, any kind of script you like, and you can even choose the avatars or you can choose the voices, video templates. There are many voices here in different languages. You can see it. So you can generate a video with more customized way, more options here. Even the video templates, more video templates. Choose a template like this. This is what. Okay, not yet. It's ready. So let it be prepared, and let's see the next tool, that is Lumenfy, and even the Flex Clip also. It's also you can see there's create by templates. Choose anything, sales video or any you like. I'm going to create a promotion video. So let me take it, customize it with your own content. I'm going to browse some pictures. Some more pictures. So to create a video, what are all the contents you need to create the pictures? I mean to create the video about your company or about your event. So any kind of promotions that is available, that is what do you like to display, you can add all these here in the local files. So I'm going to give a complete description about the company. So I'm going to use these kind of images. Okay, so these are all the images, and even what you can do is you can go for the media. There you can add video files or audio files, and you can go to the text and you can choose some text like title. So the title here is okay. I have added even the title slide also. So if you are a YouTuber or if you are creating videos for YouTube, these kind of effective videos you can create using these kind of AI tools. So just very simple. The making videos is very simple here. And I'm going to take this music, add to timeline. That's it. Everything is ready. Here, if I click play, I have added some music to the template. You can create this. Add this as the second one and add this as the third one. Add this. So just I'm adding some of the images here. You can add your images or your text, anything as of your choice. So let's see this. This. Yes, here you can create your own videos with a very simple tools. Just add, choose a template, add your pictures or add your presentation slides. Even if you have your presentation slide, you can add it. And even you can add text slides here using this. And even you can add subtitle auto. Even if you click auto subtitle, it will take up the voice and it will add the subtitle for you. And here you can generate the videos, or you can use some of the videos which are used already, and you can add some photos, even the text to images. If you are searching some photos, that if you're not sure how to get that photos, if you just, yeah, type the text what you have added, just like how we have generated the images, you can click and add your pictures here. And there are much of the audios available, or even you can use your own audio version, or you can use your own voice to give the voice effect. And there are some elements that are available that you can add to your video, and even the backgrounds also. So very easy and effective AI tool to create video. Even the person who are, that is, who are not very much exposed to design, or who are not have, that is, who don't have that much experience in design also, can create their own videos in a more professional way. So that the flux clip will help you a lot. And synthesis of video is ready. I will play you that synthesis of video. Watch the video what you have created in synthesis. Okay, and is the new video here. Okay, so what it has done means it has spelled the each word. So it has written my, it read my script, and it started to spell each and every word what was in my script. So that was done here. You can use any language. So you can go for a sales pitch. Even you can do like this also, a simple video, the same like this. So when you are creating a video, you can give the preference like what is the voice output, whether it should read the whole text or it should spell one by one. Those kind of preferences you can give using the Synthesia. So let me show you once again some of the things. So professional video, I'm going to take it um, a template in Synthesia Studio. Let's do it in another way. Let me open the free. So if you want, that is, if you want to unlock much of the features, you can get a paid version. There you can unlock more features in it. There you can create different script and different video here. 2 miles in Hawaii. Even that also you can transcript. The same, the same way you want to do like this. Okay, that's it. So another script. So here it will show you the script with the word. It will generate the video. Here we go with the Synthesia. So the Synthesia will help you to create your own videos, and also the Flex Clip that will help you to create your own videos, and the Lumen also. So that is another tool. I'll just that we need to pay something. Um, Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is another tool. So I'll show you how to use that tool. Lumen 5. If you are interested in video editing or in making videos for YouTube's, you can use these kind of tools to create your own ideas and to create your own scripts. So here the script is here. Here, rather than typing the script, even you can give an URL which contains a script. For example, I'm going to take a script about artificial intelligence. I'm going to take a script about it. So let's take a script from Wikipedia, or here also it's okay. So I'm going to take this article. So this article about artificial intelligence. It's a known article. Okay. Let's take this script. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to create a video about this script. So I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to paste this URL here and click import. So now it will import the article, what is in that URL. So it can prepare its own script based on the URL what you have given. So now the script is ready and you can choose some photos and images like themes or anything here, or you can add some of the icons what you like and some audio tracks, any audio tracks you like, and a format, whether it's a landscape or square or anything. Let me take it a landscape first. So the story is ready, the media is ready, and music is ready, the style is ready, format is ready, everything is ready. If you want to give your own voice, you can click and you can upload your voice over, or you can have your own voice and you can upload it. If you want to speak about your product, or if you want to speak about your presentation, you can show up your presentation as a video here, and you can upload your voice so that it matches your presentation. So everything is ready, what I have given everything, and I'm going to show you a okay. I'm going to convert it to a video. The script with the image and with the music. So that A about A innovation and society, everything is ready. Let's preview this. Okay. So this is what here, and question A, question B responses that is added here. Or else even if you want, you can add some more definitions and artificial intelligence. Yes, here. Or else let's go for the, let me show you a website about okay, a website, your college website. Let me take this and I'm going to add it to create a video. Take this URL. Let's add a new one. Import that so that it will fetch all the details from your website now. So it's taking time to fetch details. So now we can easily create a video about your college. So yes, it's ready here. Now let's convert into video, replace scenes. So now your video about your college will be ready in less than 1 minute. So this is what the power of AI tool in video generation. So it's loading up all the scenes. So it will be done in less than 1 minute. So this is also an interesting tool to generate videos from the article. Even if you find it difficult to type your script, you can use this. Here it goes. So to get up the full video, we need to pay something. Let me show it here. That's it. So an easy and effective tool to create your own videos. So these are all the three video generating tools that you can use to create your videos, and especially these three are free AI tools. There are more payable AI tools that are available that you can get it with low cost of $9 or $10. That helps you to add more features like removing the watermark, or adding the scenes, and more like cropping and clipping the scenes and mirroring the scenes and cloning the scenes. Those kind of features you can get with the payable versions. So these are some of the video generating tools that helps you to generate videos, and these are some of the image generation tools that helps you to generate images of your imaginations. And these are all design generators. So design generators are the one that helps you to do some designs. So designs in the sense you can see, you need to have some color complex, or you need to have some some different structures, some mechanical structures, and some different palettes. So those kind of designs you can do with the design generators. For I can tell you this chroma is one which helps you to create a palette, I mean a color palette. I can show you what is a chroma. Chroma is an interesting AI tool where you can apply colors for your documentation. If you are that is, if you're writing a report about your presentation, or if you're preparing a project report, or any kind of letters, or any kind of documentations, so those you can do it with a chroma. So it gives you a different color shades for your document that gives a pleasant look, that suits your demand also. We can say like this. When you go for it, okay, click generate. So it will give you, and there you can choose anything. Poster, and the gradients are here. So how we can use this means, first of all we want to upload our document. If you upload your document, then for that particular document you can choose the color grades. So it will give you more than 100 suggestions that gives a good look to your documentation. So actually it takes time to scroll up because it will give us more color options. Let's go to the home page. This is the way you can come into it, and this is the palette. Here you can choose the color palettes. Here you go with the color palettes. So sometimes it takes time as it generates more option. System hanged. Okay, so this is one AI tool that helps you to pick or to create color palettes for your document. If you're creating any presentations, or even if you're creating any video scenes also, to apply some images to your, I mean to apply some colors to your images, or to apply some different kinds of these color combinations to your images, you can go for this chroma generator, and you can create your own color palette here. So if you want to customize any color palette, or if you want to customize the colors for your images, you can go for creating the color palettes here. This is what chroma generator. And there is another design generator, design AI. Design AI is an payable version, but you can use it to limited versions. So design AI. Here also you can make some decisions, and go to dashboard, create video content, or you can make your logo maker, or even yes, if you are a documenter, or if you want to create some mails often. So if you're not sure about structure of the mail and correct the professional phrases of the mail, you can use this design AI. So go to design AI, there you click emails, and I'm going to send an email about a newsletter. So I'm going to click the newsletter. So I want to select my role. What is my select my role is, I'm a campaign manager, and I'm going to have a topic about how to create successful sales strategies. And what is the action I'm going to take means, join meeting on June 8, 12 p.m. That's the action. And marketing managers or my targeting audience. I can even select a tone, like I'm going to have the mail in a professional tone, and the target language, any language you like. So to understand, I'm choosing English. That's it. So I have given all the specifications about my mail, what I want to have. I have specified my role, the topic, and what it should do. So I have given the needed data, what it needs to generate the mail. So just click generate text. Here comes my mail. So I have drafted a mail in less than 1 second with the professional phrases, with parliamentary words, a neat business conversation with no errors. So this is a tool. Now what you can do is just you can copy and paste it in your draft page. That's it. So this is also a design AI where you can design your text also, or if you want, you can create your video or your logo maker, design maker, speech maker. There are so much of options that you have. So you can use it for your entire drafting and generation purpose. So this is also a useful and interesting tool that helps you to design. And fronty.com is an simple and efficient technology, and it asks your credit card details to go. So there are also some interesting features available. If you wish, you can go for its purchase, and you can go for it. So just if you add an any image, so based for the image, it will create your website content. So with the needed HTML tags and with the needed CSS designs, everything. So this is what Fronty technology. So Fronty technology, it needs to, that is, it's not a easy version, that is free version. So if you wish to create any website, or if you wish to create any blogs based on a single image, or based on your promotional image, or based on your activity image, so you can go for this Fronty. That helps you to create your own website and even blogs and articles. So these are all some of the generation tools that helps us to design a color, or helps us to design a mail, and helps us to design a website. And some interesting tools are here. And one more interesting AI tool that is Rebellion using, that search engines and all the software technologies, and it's going to be the future of the AI, is the Chat GPT. So I hope you everybody know about this Chat GPT. So it gives you all in all solutions for all your requirements and for all your needs and for all your search. So for all your search, you can find your destiny here. So Chat GPT, there you can find the Chat GPT in openai.com. So Chat GPT, so I hope you know about it. So it's an interesting another tool. I'll show you an interesting future about Chat GPT. So not this. Let me show you what is ChatGPT. So going to the ChatGPT is very easy. I'm going to type ChatGPT. Click it. Go to the ChatGPT. Do the login. Go to ChatGPT. Okay. So just I'm going to ask for an image. What is the image? Is the same image what we have asked in the image generation websites. Two mice in Hawaii with surfboards. I have asked for an image as I mean something like this. It will give you more what you have asked. And I'm going to ask for a code. What is the code is? Um, like program to even we can use some complex program. Ah, so I'm going to use a tool, AI tool. If you ask anything, it can give you. That's it. Anything like program to generate random numbers. It can give you anything you like, anything you ask. That's it. So this is ChatGPT. So you can get a wonderful and huge flood of knowledge here from this ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is also an interesting AI tool. So more than what I say, you can use the ChatGPT and you can come to know more about it. Definitely, you should use this once to that is so that you can understand how much it's helpful. So ChatGPT is also an interesting AI tool that supports all the image generations and video generations and design generations, everything. And one more thing is code generator. Code generator is an another thing that is particularly needed for this upcoming time. So code generator, what does this code generator means? So if you ask for any code, any program in any language, it can give you that code. So one code generator AI tool is Code PAI. Code PAI is an interesting code generator tool. ChatGPT is also an interesting code generator tool. I'll show you what is an code PI. Code PAI, or not the code pen. Okay, here it is. I'm going to choose a language in C. Let me take the C language. That not easy to that generates months. So it can give a code in any language in any requirement. Okay, it's asking me to sign in. generates arrays. If you want, you can go for the C or JavaScript or anything. Code Paul. Here comes the C program to generate arrays. And even if you want, you can get explanations. So if you want some other language, go for even the Python. It's good. I'm going to take a Python, a function in Python that generates random numbers, or else odd numbers, even numbers, anything. So here is the Python code that generates random. Even you can see it imports the random library to print the random numbers. So these are all some of the AI tool that generates code generators. So the person who are not that much flexible or not that much confident in code. So this code AI that is generated that helps them to finish the coding. Yeah. So this is also one of an interesting code generator tool. And tab 9 OpenAI is like chat GPT, and it generates any code like what do you ask, any code in any language that you can get in OpenAI. And tab 9 is for the professional software developers. So what does this tab 9 means? It is a module that runs in your CPU. If you add this module to your IDE, if you add this tab 9 module to your Python IDE, so it can import all the machine learning libraries and artificial intelligence modules that supports to create a web application on the AI. So tab 9 that helps you which module should be imported and what are all the errors in it, and how to, that is, what are all the syntax to generate the, that is to import all the modules. For all these helps, the tab 9 will help will help. So it is software, that is, it's a professional software module that helps the developers to develop their AI application. So these are all the code generators that helps you to generate code, that helps you to finish your task also. And more than that, there are some of the AI tools that are available. One is scikit-learn and TensorFlow. So these are all the libraries that helps you to create the AI applications. So still now we have seen about the AI tools which are already created and that we can use it. If you intend to create your own AI tool, if you are intent to create your own AI application, so there are some libraries that helps you to create your applications, to create your AI tools. So some of the applications are scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is one of the well-known. It's a machine learning library. So what does it do? Means it helps. It helps for the prediction makings like decision tree makings, or it helps to give predictions from the data, that is the raw data which is given, and it's helped to bring out the decisions based on the processed data. So these are all the things that happens with scikit-learn. And also it is it gives us an important libraries like scipy and numpy libraries. So this scipy and numpy libraries are the important libraries to create the AI applications. If you are that is, if you want to handle 10,000 data at the same time, or 10,000 even the 1 lakh data at the same time, so those kind of large data that can be deal with the numpy and scipy libraries, even the more number of images and more number of video tools, all those things, all those modules that you can do, that the scikit-learn will help you to support those modules and libraries. And there is another thing, TensorFlow is an industrial tool where much of the industries are using this TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is also an interesting AI tool that should be installed in your IDE. So that helps you to give a visual format. That is, if you go for some visual displays or the computer vision AI techniques or some image recognition AI techniques and some speech recognition image techniques. So those kind of advanced AI modules, this TensorFlow will support those kind of advanced AI modules. There you can create your own AI applications using this TensorFlow. And there are another tools also, that is the AI modules that supports your IDE. So Theano is one of that library, and its future is it's a lightweight library that you can add it with your Python collab or with your Python, even the Python Jupyter notebook also. So it supports it well. It helps for the deep learning neural networks, or where you can writing and machine learning algorithm with convolution networks or deep learning neural networks. So those kind of things, it will help you a lot to highlighting your errors and auto corrections and giving the auto syntax of the modules. The Theano will help it more. And PyTorch is one of an AI tool. It is invented by, that is the Facebook AI system. So Facebook AI system is based on the PyTorch. So it helps in a way to bring the predictions and to categorize the data and to prioritize the data. So those kind of techniques you can do with the PyTorch. And Zest AI is also an AI tool that helps with the financial technical solutions for stock trading and for the predicting the stock markets and for predicting the rates and values of any shares. So those kind of financial technological solutions that you can do with the Zest AI. So these are all some of the artificial intelligence tools that are based on the programming. So the previous tools what we have seen, that is not based on the programming knowledge is not required for using those artificial intelligence tools. For using these artificial intelligence tools like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Theano, PyTorch, so we need a little bit of programming knowledge in Python or in some other languages to import these modules, and using these modules to create our own artificial intelligence applications, also even the web applications or the mobile applications. We need these kind of modules to complete our task. So these are all some of the artificial intelligence tools that we are thinking and that we are using in our. So let me give a simple glance about all the artificial intelligence tools. So first of all, we have seen about what is an artificial intelligence. So it is the science and engineering that makes intelligent computer programs. And we can say like artificial intelligence, that is the one which understands the human intelligence. So a computer can understand human, then we call it as artificial intelligence. And these are all some of the applications of artificial intelligence. And there are some of the tools that we already use in our day-to-day life, the AI tools. These are all the one which enhances the lifestyle, and it saves our time and effort, and it gives good entertainment, and it helps our even profession also, some AI tools. And apart from this, so there are some generative AI tools that helps us to complete our professional task for video generation, audio generation, text generation, and code generation. So the image generation is like Crayon and OpenAI and Star AI. So that helps you to generate images based on our needs. And this is video generator. Video generator is FlexClip, Synthesia. It gives a video based on our script. So it gives the audio and other formats and audio, even the audio conversion tools also. So there you can use and you can upload your own script, and it can give you a video based on a script. And even the flex clip and lumenfy, you should upload your URL where the content is there, even maybe your website or the Wikipedia or any article. So for that particular article, for the particular video, it can generate, that's for the particular script, it can generate a video for you. And these are the design generator where you can create your own color palettes, and you can create your own designs, and you can have your email drafting and logo making, everything you can use it using your AI tools. And chat GPT, it is the we can say it like it is the king of all the AI tools. That's the most advanced AI tool where you can get solution for all your needs. And these are all some of the code generators: Tab9, OpenAI, and CodePal. So that helps you to generate codes for your requirement or for your task. Apart from that, these are all some of the AI tools that does where the developers uses. So with the programming knowledge, you can use these tools to generate your own applications. So here comes the end of my presentation. So I hope you had a great time, and I hope you understand something that is some knowledges about the artificial intelligence tools. I hope it was a useful session to you to get to know about the artificial intelligence that is ruling our world, and that's going to be the future era of the technology also. So with no doubt, artificial intelligence is the future of all the upcoming technologies in all the industries, the education, the manufacturing, the production, the structuring, the designing. Everywhere we go, we are going to come under the shadow of the artificial intelligence one day. So thanks for the time, and thanks for viewing also. And I take this good opportunity, this golden time, to thank all the viewers that who have joined this program, and the host persons and the management institutes to take an initiative to bring some good knowledge about the artificial intelligence to the educational community. So thank you one and all. Thank you again. Have a good day.
Okay, this is the time for vote of thanks. As usual, as a professor, we will run for 3 hours to 4 hours a long lecture. From an industry, we are expecting you to talk around. We plan for only 50 minutes, but it's getting around 1 hour 40 minutes. Thank you for sparing your time, madam. So
Thank
really,
you.
it was amazing and excellent. You can see the comments also, and I have shared the feedback. It is the feedback link is in the comment section. Those who are
Okay.
watching, kindly give us a feedback, and let us meet in direct. Our
Sure.
college is going to open in the month of June 20th. After that, we will have a session in our college for our students. So, first and foremost, I have to thank Hemanand sir. He was continuously following up for the past 4 weeks. Because of the examinations, we made a bit delay, and now it is the right time. And I hope everyone has gotten information about AI tools. Everyone know that AI is going to rule the world.
Yeah.
So there is a lag between the industry and the uh, colleges. Where we are studying, we are on the traditional path. We have to change our path to a educational model. Last
Yes.
week, I think so. Last week or last month in China, they have trial. They have a trial version. They have
Hmm.
taught students of elementary schools at that time 100 schools in a live session where they had got a feedback also. One A is equal to 1 lakh teachers.
Yes, of course.
That's the thing. So whatever we are going to lose the job, we have to transform. Without transforming, we are not going to stand. Not only the industry, education field is also there. Because whatever I have learned for 40 years, an AI will do in 4 minutes.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Still it will give more interactive sessions like showing videos and explaining them. And really, we are getting into a trouble part where why I have to study so many languages. If I am going with an AI, I can get a code for Python or C or C++ or Java, whatever it may be. There is no need for learning. Now it is a time for implementation,
Of
and it
course.
is a time for research. How we are going to handle AI, and what are the tools we are going to handle. Those who are stepping into changes, they will stand. The simple logic. Fit. There is a
Great.
word fit. Darwin's quote. Survival of the fittest. So
So
those who are
nice.
getting transformed, they will be standing in the field. Not only in teaching and not only in the industry or wherever it may be. Simple as Elon Musk, Tesla cars. Now there is a break of 3 crore drivers are going to lose the job in year 2030. So they have to transfer to and they have to do some work. Likewise, every field will have an effect, but the knowledge scenario is developing. Even with a laptop or a tab or a mobile, we are connecting each other now. There is no need to travel. Everything is saved. You can be in your place. I can be in my place. The viewers are there in their own places. They are watching this. This is of technology. So technology, whatever you say, we are saying that it will affect. It will give the growth. Thank you, madam, for sparing your time, and also thank you,
Thank you,
Hamad
sir.
sir, that arrange
Sure.
this session.
I'll create it.
And
Thanks.
before getting, I have to thank my management and my principal and my colleagues, those who are in the line. Thank you, ma'am. Once
Thank you, sir.
after opening the college, we will have a direct interaction with the students.
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you so
Sure.
much. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
sir. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
viewers.
much.
And the feedback link is in the comment. Just give your feedbacks, valuable feedbacks. We are expecting the feedbacks. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.